Hey guys, welcome back. I'm back with another hair tutorial, and today I'm going to be telling you all about this wig and showing you how to do a cute little twist out on it. And the hair I'm using right now is from HerGivenHair. This is the curly textured lace front wig. It is 100% virgin human hair, so it basically behaves just like human hair. You can bleach it, you can do your twist outs, you can do your braid outs, and the lace is really good as well. It looks pretty realistic. I haven't bleached the knots or anything. It also comes with baby hairs, so all I did literally was just put it on, slick down the baby hairs, and just like brush it out with my fingers a little bit. So I'm going to show you how to transform it from its natural form, its natural curl pattern form into this sort of like twist out situation that looks a little bit more wet. It looks a little bit more, you know, a little bit less afro, a little bit more sleek. Both looks are really nice, but just in case you're looking for some versatility, as you know, I've been on my natural hair journey. I cut my hair for the very first time into a teeny weeny fro like 2 months ago, and now we're approaching winter and I'm doing a lot more acting stuff and just doing a whole lot of stuff that doesn't allow me to sit down and take care of my natural hair. So I'm really going to be using wigs. I need a wig that's versatile, I need a wig that looks realistic, and I need a wig that reads well on camera. This hair texture is 3B, 3C. It's 20 inches long, and straight out the box, it's really soft. So this is basically my first time wearing it. The cap size is small because I have quite a small head, but you can also adjust that on the website. And what's great about this is that it also comes with an extra adjustable elastic band, as well as instructions on how to take care of your hair. I like to just buy good quality wigs so that I can just, when I get it, I just put it on, I just brush it out, I do a little bit of cutting here and there, and that's it. Like, I don't want to be doing all these extra things. So that's what I love about HerGivenHair, is that it already comes pretty well done. I don't know if they cut it, but like, I pretty much like the shape already. I'm going to be showing you how to transform this hair. Let me know how you feel about it, and everything will be in the description box below. So keep watching. Right, so now that you've done all your twists and your hair is dry, and it's really important for your hair to be completely dry, you can now undo this. Because this is human hair and it behaves like human hair, you want to make sure that even when you're unraveling the twist, you want to just like be gentle and make sure to not disturb the twist pattern that you're unraveling. So you're just gonna want to do this around your entire head. It also helps to do this with a little bit of oil on your fingers because it leaves some shine. So I just have coconut oil, but you can probably use any oil, honestly. And just look at the curl definition. I'm really obsessed with this look. I'm about to go out and steal your man. So sleep with one eye open, bitch. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.